Hi folks, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you so much for stopping by to check out this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and give me a thumbs up for this video if you would. I'm trying to build my channel, working towards, I want to be doing a lot of videos this year, and going to be introducing some business opportunities like our travel program and other opportunities as well. And what you're looking at here is a lead capture page that I actually developed, real simple stuff that I can do. I developed with the all-in-one profits autoresponder lead capture page system. It's really a marketing system that you can use very low cost to get started. Okay. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave the link to my autoresponder system in the description area of this video, so that if you're looking for a great low cost system that you can do tons of stuff with, then you need to check that out. But also introducing our travel club business. It is the My Travel Club, what is it? My $20 travel business. Okay, that's what it is. And you can become the CEO of your own life. That's what we talk about that. And it is a low cost opportunity, high profit potential. Okay, we also offer a powerful travel downline builder marketing system. Okay, and that did I say no cost? No cost for that. And so you can get started. You can join our top team today. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave the link now to not only this capture page, but also going to leave the link to our autoresponder system. If you wanted to get started with a great autoresponder tool, then you can do that as well. Hopefully I covered everything I wanted to cover in this video, but if not, be sure to check out the information yourself, and you'll see everything is there for you. And get started with us today. Come on in. It's low cost, high quality, high profit potential. I'm Terry Brown. I'm signing off. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.